Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to download an image from Google Chrome. So first things first, you just have to go to your Google web browser and then here you can search anything, for example, animals or nature, everything is up to you. Now once done, what you get to do is to press enter and then tap images so that you can see just images and photos. A piece of advice to avoid any copyright issue, you can tap tools and then what you're going to do next is you have to look for Creative Commons. So tap tools here and then click this one and then click Creative Commons and you can simply use these images without any copyright issues. Click the image, right click, and then look for Save Us or Save. Now for the location, you can just simply save this to your desktop, to your download, to your PC, or if you have created a specific folder, you can choose that. And then after that, what you're going to do is to tap this save right here. And that's it. You can search for more images if you want. You just have to click this download icon, tap the image, and you will see the result right here. Basically, that's how easy it is to download an image from Google Chrome. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. If you want us to create another tutorial, please do comment down below. See you again in our next video tutorials.